Gusto ko lang sir na sabihin sa iyo na mahal ka namin sir in behalf of the Presidential Escorts Battalion. Mahal na mahal ka namin at napakasaya namin na ikaw ang naging boss namin, ikaw ang naging presidente, and gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na from the bottom of my heart, mabuhay po kayo. Maraming pong salamat sir.
Sir, sa 6 na taon na naging security officer nyo ako, maraming salamat sa kumpiyansa at tiwala na ibinigay nyo sa akin at saka sa aking mga kasamahan ng mga security officers. Ang hangad lang namin palagi sa inyo, sir, ay maprotektahan kayo, maging safety kayo.
PRD has been more than just my commander-in-chief being in the military. So I always looked up to him like parang he's my father. Kasi there were many instances that we ate together, then sobrang relaxed lang. He would make jokes, he would tell silly jokes, even personal stories na dapat di niya kinikwento sa amin, kumbaga. Pero he's very open.
Ang masabi ko, may puso siya, lalong-lalo na sa mahirap. Actually, may mga nagtatanong nga sa akin kung ano ba daw talaga yung ugali niya behind the camera. Ang masabi ko lang, he's a jolly person, matalino, at higit sa lahat, mapagmahal, literally and figuratively.
Mahigit 5 taon ko na nakasama ang ating Pangulo. Doon ako palagi sa kanyang likod. Nakita kung gaano siya katapat sa ating bansa at sa mga mamayang Pilipino.
Kayo, sir, kasi hindi mo kami trinit na mga security mo. Yun lang talaga actually yung nakaano sa amin na we were treated as part of your family. So
I'm really, really proud to have the honor to work with you as your aide. And in TV, you see him wearing barong, but after all the fiasco is over, he goes back and he changes into comfortable clothes, baggy shirts, jogging pants, chinelas, and he will enjoy a simple dish with us. He is the kind of person na pag nakikita mong kumakain, sobrang ganado. Kahit na yung ulam bulad, parang pati ikaw gaganahan kasi papaisip ka, parang sarap ng bulad, kakain na lang din ako. So seeing him like that, na simple pleasures in life, he enjoys very much. Wait lang, naiyak ako. Bisit! I will always remember all the lessons you've taught me throughout my career and for the